Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin with Fidelity. First, you'll need an eligible Fidelity account, such as a brokerage account or a Fidelity crypto account, which is a separate offering. Fidelity provides access to Bitcoin through various investment vehicles, including spot Bitcoin ETFs, or through their dedicated crypto platform. It's important to understand that investing in cryptocurrencies carries significant risks, including potential for substantial losses. Always consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before investing. To get started, you'll need to set up the appropriate Fidelity account. If you're looking to invest in a spot Bitcoin ETF, a standard brokerage account will suffice. For direct crypto holdings, you'll need to open a Fidelity crypto account. Once your account is established, link your bank account to facilitate transfers. You can then fund your account with the amount you wish to invest, typically through an electronic funds transfer, which usually takes a few business days to clear. Now it's time to choose how you want to invest in Bitcoin. You can opt for a spot Bitcoin ETF, which trades like a stock and holds actual Bitcoin. Alternatively, with a Fidelity crypto account, you can buy and hold Bitcoin directly. Carefully review the fees and expense ratios for each option, as these can impact your overall returns. Once you've made your decision, you can place your order to buy Bitcoin through the Fidelity platform, specifying the amount you wish to purchase. After purchasing Bitcoin, it's crucial to monitor your investment regularly. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, so staying informed about price movements is important. Remember to understand the tax implications of your cryptocurrency investments, as gains and losses are typically subject to capital gains tax. For more details on managing your portfolio and other helpful resources, check the description below for links and other deals. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day with a great water bottle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.